Hello everybody, have you heard about SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India? Do you know that SEBI recruits assistant managers in the legal discipline? Why you should prepare for SEBI Legal Exam? Why this exam can be a good opportunity for law students? This is what I am going to discuss in this video. Let's look at the reasons. Number 1. SEBI is the apex organization when it comes to the regulation of securities market. If you have a passion for securities, financial market and also related legal provisions, working with SEBI is a dream come true. Capital market is an ever-growing sector. This job therefore is more suitable for people with a keen sense of learning and staying competitive amid these changing times and uncertain conditions. Reason number 2. This is a government job. Being a government job, this offers all the stability and security to your career. And also on top of that, this job offers a corporate setup. Thus, you get a dual feature corporate environment and a government job. Reason number 3. Let's talk about the financial benefits. This is one of the main reasons for some primary factor in a job. SEBI Legal offers a good salary, a salary of approximately 1.49 lakh per month. And if you add all the perks and allowances, it goes up to 2 lakh per month. Reason number 4. Career progression. You join in SEBI as assistant manager and you can be promoted to executive director. Above the executive director, there are whole-time members and chairman. And the government of India appoints whole-time members and the chairman on contractual basis. So you can go up to executive directors of SEBI. Coming to 5th reason, the exam pattern. The exam is conducted in 3 phases. Phase 1 is only qualifying. Phase 2 has merit position, and again phase 3, that is your interview, holds 15% weightage. Now when it comes to phase 1, it's quite easy to crack phase 1. Why? Because in phase 1, you just need 80 marks. There is no cutoff criteria. The cutoff doesn't vary every year. There are 2 papers in phase 1. In paper 1, you need only 30 marks. So even if you are not good in one subject, let's say maths, quantitative aptitude, you are not good in this subject, you can skip this entire subject and go for reasoning, English and GA and just go and attempt the exam. You just need 30 marks in paper 1. And then coming to paper 2, the syllabus of paper 2 includes contract law, constitution, civil law, torts, administrative law, principles of interpretation. And from here also you can skip few topics, because you just need 40 marks and overall to crack phase 1 you need 80 marks. But then coming to phase 2, you have competition in phase 2 and phase 2 also has descriptive. So this is a competitive exam. You need to give your best, but phase 1 is relatively easy to crack. Now coming to the reason 6, eligibility. Freshers are also eligible for this exam. If you have 2 years experience, you get extra 1.5 marks in the interview, but if you are a fresher, right out of college and you crack this exam, then at very young age, you become assistant manager in SEBI and you have a lot of scope of getting promoted to higher positions. So fresh out of your college, you can get a job of approximately rupees 2 lakh per month. Coming to the next reason, which is the defined syllabus. Very few exams offer defined syllabus and that too along with the weightages. So here in SEBI, you are given weightages to the various acts and also the parts, the chapters that you have to study in every act. Constitution holds a 20% weightage in the phase 1. That means you will get 10 out of 50 questions from the Constitution of India. So this makes it easy to do selective study. And that is why this exam can be prepared with a focused preparation, right guidance, continuity, dedication and effective study plan. If you are fresh out of college or you are in final year, then you can consider this exam, check out the exam pattern and see whether you want to give a shot to this exam or not. Wish you all the best. Thank you.